I am sure many of you would have received such designed carry bags while you do your online shopping. I had cut out a few designs and borders from these carry bags. I took a cardboard, marked and cut the edges. I used another cardboard which is contrast in color to stick on it. Then I stuck the borders to the edges using Fevistick glue. You can make various combinations of these designs to make artworks. These artworks can be used for wall decor, front cover of a notebook, or you can also use them for making a greeting card. This is another shopping bag which gave me an idea to make a coloring and alphabets book. I cut various pictures and designs from these covers. I took 26 cardboard pieces for the 26 alphabets, trimmed, folded, and stuck them together. Stuck each of these figures on these sheets. Then I used another gift cover to make the cover pages. I removed the thread that was used as the cover handle to tie cardboard pieces and cover pages together. Next, I stuck a picture on the front cover page to make it little attractive. I also had to draw some of the pictures myself because not everything was available on these shopping bags. It was fun making this book. One of my little friend was too happy and excited to take it from me and color them. Do let me know in comments how you felt about this video and about the usage of these pictures which otherwise would have gone into the garbage. Please share the video if you have liked it and subscribe for more such ideas. Thank you for watching.